In Alberta, the Wills and Succession Act outlines the rights of beneficiaries to receive support after an individual has passed away. Additionally, it provides clarity on the definition of who constitutes a dependent. A dependent's relief claim is essentially an application to receive support from the deceased individual's estate in the event they were not included in the will, or if someone dies without a will. When an individual dies, payments to beneficiaries typically take precedence over any other bequests in the will. Stay tuned to learn who's eligible and why it may be vital to hire an estate litigation lawyer if you have a claim. Who is eligible? In order to be considered a dependent in Alberta, the individual must be a spouse, child, or sibling of the deceased. And immediately before the deceased's death, the deceased must have been providing support to them, or was under legal obligation to provide support to them. The definition of a parent also extends to grandparents or a person who has demonstrated a settled intention to treat the deceased as a child of his or her family. The definition of a child can also include grandchildren of the deceased or a person who has demonstrated a settled intention to treat as a child of his or her family, any child conceived before and born alive after the parent's death. The definition of a spouse also includes a legally married spouse, or if they were legally married and subsequently divorced, a common law spouse, interdependent partner who lived continuously with the deceased for a period legislated by the province of Alberta, or a person whom the deceased had some form of continuous relationship with that was of some permanence. Finally, a sibling in this sense is considered a brother or sister of the deceased. Estate litigation lawyers. A lawyer will ensure a notice of application is filed with the courts, including any supporting affidavits and supporting documents. They'll also ensure all the relevant parties are served with the documents, and court attendance may be necessary. In highly contentious cases, there may be things like pre-trial conferences, mediation, examination for discoveries, cross-examinations, and more required, and these are some of the things a lawyer will assist with. If you need to file a dependent's relief claim or challenge one, contact our Edmonton Estate litigation lawyers today for immediate assistance. Get legal assistance. Contact Verhage Law Office today for legal assistance with respect to dependent relief claims. This is not a type of legal claim you want to tackle yourself with no legal experience, as they can be quite complex. Additionally, there may be representation required on your behalf in court. So having an estate litigation lawyer on your side when filing this claim can help ensure that it's filed properly and in accordance with the rules of civil procedure. You can book a consultation with our legal team today by filling out our online contact form, live chatting with one of our live chat agents, or by calling our law firm at 587-410-2500. Thanks for your consideration, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.